Hey everybody, Seth here from Sonic Promos, and while the grilling season lasts all the time in our house, this season of guerrilla marketing is coming to a close. I hope that you've been able to find that we've made it fun and easy for you to understand how using all the tools in your toolbox can help you to maximize your marketing impact and really generate the opportunities and response that you've been looking for. And so, with a tip of the cap to my time as a camper, as a young kid, there's nothing more fun and easy than the mush burger. It's a great way to get your hands dirty, just like you should in your marketing, and it pretty much goes like this. You take a little bit of your peppers, you take a little bit of your onions, some more peppers, maybe you add a little bit of cheese for my cheese fans, a little bit of relish. I'm going to put in a little bit of mayo, of course, Duke's. Never forget the Duke's. You're going to put some of this on there. You're going to put a little bit of this on there. And you're actually going to mush it up, just like it says, because it's a mush burger. You're going to get all that goodness in there. Make sure that you put it all together. It looks gross now. And the idea here, again, is that you're taking all of these items that separately do a little bit, but together are going to come together in the most delicious piece. You fold it up and you put it right onto the coals there, just like that. About 5 minutes on each side, and there's nothing more exciting than taking it out of the fire and seeing what the final results are. If you're looking for something fun and easy, or you're looking for something super, challenging, talk to the Sonic Promos team, and we can help you with all of those things. Hey, you didn't think I'd forget dessert, did ya? So we got the s'mores going, of course. And anytime I'm going to a s'mores battle, I'm bringing like some heavy items. Like these dark chocolate covered graham cracker cookies from our friends at NC Custom Cookie, and these milk chocolate cookies. So I'm literally just going to take my double marshmallows that I just cooked up here. I'm going to pull that in there. I'm going to take these two, and this is what we call the supersized s'more. And I want to say thanks again for all your support.